Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, Tech It Simple. Today, we brought you a brand new video. We want to show you how you can log into your Amazon employee account. So, without any further ado, let's get straight into the tutorial. Open your preferred web browser. Here, you can search Amazon Employee Login. After searching for Amazon Employee Login, you can find various options, but the second option you can check out is Amazon Jobs. Right here, you will advance to this type of interface where you can log into your account with Google or you can log into your account with the Amazon ID. In my case, I want to log in with the Amazon account. Enter your credentials. Type in your email or mobile phone number and password in the designated fields. You can checkmark the Keep Me Signed In button so furthermore you don't have to sign in. Make sure you are on a secure network when logging in. Avoid saving your login credentials on public computers. Thank you so much for watching, guys. We will bring more of this type of content in the upcoming days, so make sure to hit the like button. Also, do not forget to subscribe to our channels and set the bell icon to all so you never miss an update. Feedback and queries are truly appreciated in the comment section. I will see you guys again in our next video. Have a nice day. Thank you.